Welcome to Creative Engineers. Today we'll try to write a Matlab code, for combining or merging multiple files. Especially today we'll try to, discuss the code of integrating, multiple CSV files or Netcdf files, together. Normally, in the research field, it is needed for all of us. To find or to to integrate all the files together, which is really very important, where we have numerous files of a CSV, or it can be NetCDF file type, and it is needed to integrate to run in a single model. So in that case, it is always really very important for all of us. So today already prepared a code for you, and you can find it in the comment section as well as. So at first, what we need to do, we need to just write the file name and select the folder. This is a user interface formula, like UI get file, where we are going to select the CSV type files, and there will be a user interface which will be opened, like select the data file, and then it will also give you a multi-select point. That means you can select more than one files for work, so that when I just going to run for the single line, I have the option to select some of the CSV files together. So later on, what we need to do, we need to select the output, and this is the formula of the output variables, where the integrated files or the combined CSV files, or the single Excel file or CSV files will be saved. So this is the output file name, which is equal to full file, which is the folder, and folder we are going to select the same folders, and the folder name is final CSV new dot CSV. And there is output also. Feed output is f open. It will be open, it will be written in this file as well as. So the second part is creating a for loop where all the file names are to be counted, and then then it is to be open the files, and then it will read it, read the characters, and also writing as an output one. So this in this for loop, all the process will be circulated, or here in Matlab code, and then what we are going to close it, and then we are opening the folder in the new selected file. So by this code, we can integrate different types of CSV files, which has the similar type of variables. Actually, if you have different type of variables, or latitude and longitude, you shouldn't integrate this. But if the files have similar characteristics, then you can integrate this, and in that case, it is important for you, for any researcher. So what we will see, by evaluating this code, we have got options to let delete the output folder, and now we are going to select all the folders together and press enter. Then it's going to be saved in as a new final CSV new. Or to understand, we can just change the output files, like it can be new output, and then again we can run the file. Okay, we need to save it, and then opening, and selects the CSV files we need to integrate, and this is the new output which is saved over there. So this is in the similar type, you can just change the extension of the file type which we are in need of integrating. and the same process, you can integrate the netcdf file, especially for analyzing the climate data, climate data, or data from NASA, or some GCM models. The file is stored in netcdf files. So if you get multiple number of netcdf data, and it is required to integrate all the variables, then you can use the matlab code for integrating the netcdf files. So what is just to change the extensions of in the nc this .nc indicates that this data type is a netcdf file. So the folder will be open, and we will select the netcdf files, and then it will be saved by this name. So this is a very easy process of of utilizing netcdf data. Let's see what is happening over there. And it is opening a new folder to open all the netcdf data, and there is I have some more netcdf variables. So I select some of them and press enter, and wait until it is open. This is the final csp new final. This is my final output of integrated netcdf files. So by this process, you can integrate different types of files together, to run in mathematical modeling or any machine learning techniques. And in the comment section, you'll find all the codes together, and you can go to visit to this blogspot, my new site, to find out some of the codes, free. So if you like the video, you can please share, comment, and give your ideas, how to develop the the channel. So until then, thank you so much.